Copper CRM has a clean and easy to use interface. When you get into your account for the first time, you will come to this page, which is the feed page. On the feed page, you'll notice that on your left, you have access to emails, meetings, phone calls, SMS, and notes. If you click any of these, you'll be able to see that information. On your extreme right, it shows you anything that is pending. For example, I have a task that is due today. I can see that here. On your top right is where you see notifications of anything that has happened. For example, in this case, I added a user and it's showing that yesterday there was this notification which was there. So you make use of the notification bell, and any red icon that appears here shows that there are notifications which you have not opened. Say you want to add personal information about your account, you come to your extreme left, you click on that, and you can add any information that you want, including your phone number and the city and the country that you are from. There are modules obviously that you want to access. For example, the people, the companies, pipelines, tasks, marketing tools, they are all modules that you can make use of. You can easily access them by coming to this left side and clicking on any of them, and you can then access that. If you want to access the settings, you can simply click the gear icon here and you will see all the settings that you'd want to change. If you want to invite users, simply click the plus sign here and enter the email, and the user who's been invited will get the email in their email address for them to access Copper CRM. How do you log out? You simply come to the bottom, click these three little dots, and you can see the log out button there. So simply, this is how you navigate in Copper CRM.